everyone, today we'll learn how to convert mixed to improper fractions. After this video, you will be able to do this orally. You can orally convert the mixed to improper fraction. I'll be telling you some tricks. Okay, let's begin. Before that, you should watch my other videos on fractions. I'll share the link in the description so you can watch from there. So let's begin with the mixed fraction, the types of fraction we have done already. But if you haven't seen that video, let's revise it quickly. You can see the other video also. I have shared some easy tricks so that you will be able to learn what type of fractions these are. Okay, so let's revise this quickly. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a mixture of whole number and a proper fraction. So the mixture of whole number, proper fraction makes a mixed fraction. And mixed fraction is also called mixed numerals or mixed numbers. See here, we have the example 5, 3 by 7. 5 is a whole number and 3 by 7 is a proper fraction. So this is a mixed fraction, whole number and a proper fraction. Let's go to improper fractions. Improper fractions is a fraction where numerator is greater than the denominator. The upper one is greater than the lower one. For example, 8 by 3. You can say that 8 by 3 is an improper fraction. Why? Because numerator here you can see that is 8 is greater than 3. So it's the proper fraction and improper fraction. If I talk about proper, it will be numerator will be less than the denominator. You can learn this with the help of growth method, which we have discussed in the types of fraction video. Okay, so now you know what the mixed fractions are, what the improper fractions are. Now let's move to our main topic, that is conversion. Conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. For that, right now, I'll be explaining you some way with the help of which you'll be able to understand how we are doing the sums. But while doing the sums, it will be an easier trick for you that you do not need to remember any formula for that. But still, right now, let's discuss that. You should know how we are converting the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So you already know we have done improper fraction to mixed fraction, where you know how we make mixed fraction using improper fraction. So for that, mixed fraction is equal to quotient remainder by divisor. That we have already done in the improper to mixed fraction conversion video, where you know that when we divide numerator and denominator, we write quotient as a whole number, remainder as a numerator, and divisor as a denominator. So this way we got our mixed fraction. While writing mixed to improper, we are just using this. So improper fraction, how we'll write? We'll start writing from the denominator, from the divisor. So arrow will go upward. So you can say divisor multiply quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. So do not get scared of looking at this, the formula, because we are not going to use this. But yes, in the exams, the MCQs can be like this. So you should know where you're getting the formula. The MCQ, they could have written some like divisor here, divisor in place of remainder and remainder in place of divisor, can ask that this statement is true or false. So for that, you need to remember or understand this formula. It's just easy. Remember that mixed fraction is equal to quotient remainder by divisor. And when we are moving up, we are just writing divisor multiply quotient plus remainder divided by divisor as it is. So it's easy. It's just for MCQs, just for understanding, but we are doing the easy way in the questions. Okay, let's do the example now. We are going to do the easy way, remember. So let's convert 5 whole number 1 by 3 to improper fraction. We have the mixed fraction. We are going to convert it into improper fraction. So for that, I'll be writing this number alone. After that, I'll be using the arrows. So I'll start writing arrow from the denominator like this, from 3 to 5, and then from 5 to 1 like this. So I have drawn the arrows. Now the operation, maths operation, that is plus, minus, multiply, divide. Here we'll use only two operations, that is multiply and plus. But remember where to write multiply and where to write plus. So for that, I'll tell you a trick. Before that, you should know, here you'll write multiply, 3 multiply 5 plus 1. So how you'll remember this? You know the time AM and PM. In the evening, we use PM. And for the mornings, we use AM. That you already done in lower grades. So I'll tell you the trick. You will be writing A at up above for addition and M for multiplication. So we are just doing AM, that is morning time. AM, A means addition. You'll be writing plus at the top. M multiplication, that you will be writing here. So remember this, that multiplication will be with the divisor and the quotient, and addition will be with the quotient and the remainder, the upper numerator, you can say. So you remember this. Now let's solve this. First, I'll be telling you the steps. After every example, we'll do only 3 examples. You'll be able to do this orally. I'll tell you. Definitely you'll be able to do. Okay, so let's begin. Now, denominator 3 multiply 5 plus 1. I'll be writing exactly same way in this order. 3 multiply 5 plus 1. Let's write. And denominator will be same as it is. Now I have written. Now first we'll do multiplication. Whatever the answer I'll get, I'll write plus 1 with that and then add and we'll write answer. So 3 5s are 15 plus 1 by 3. Let's write down 3 5s are 15 plus 1 by 3. Now 15 plus 1 is 16 by 3. I got my answer. That's it. Now I got 5 1 by 3 to improper fraction, that is 16 by 3. Let's do another example. 10 whole number 3 by 7. Convert 10 whole number 3 by 7 to improper fraction. We have the mixed fraction, convert into improper. Write 10 whole number 3 by 7 again. Let's start writing the arrows. 7 to 10, 10 to 3. Now the time is to write operations. I already know that the formula for that is AM. So addition at the top, multiplication at the bottom. So AM, remember this, plus at the top, multiply at the bottom. But we'll start writing from this, always from the 7, because the arrow is starting from here. 7 multiply 10 plus 3 divided by 7. So 7 multiply 10 plus 3 divided by 7. So let's multiply. 7 tens are 70 plus 3. Let's do it orally. Why we need to write the steps? So we are reducing the steps so that we can do that orally. So 7 tens are 70. 70 plus 3 is 73 by 7. So I got my answer. 10 3 by 7 to improper is 73 by 7. It means 10 whole number 3 by 7 is equal to 73 by 7. Now it's time to do orally. We have the question here. 6 whole number 4 by 7. And we have to convert this into improper fraction. Let's write this fraction again. 6 whole number 4 by 5. Even if you are not writing, you can do here as well with the help of pencil. So you need to write the arrows. So arrow from 5 to 6, 6 to 4. Write down the operations, that is plus and multiply, AM, plus and multiply. But we'll start writing from 5. So we'll not be writing here. We are going to do it orally. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. So see how I'm doing. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. So 34 by 5 is my answer. I haven't written any step. Just these arrows and the operations, and I got my answer. So it's very easy. Yes. It's your time to do some workout. This is true, false. Like I have said, mixed fraction is equal to quotient divisor by remainder. If you think this is correct, write down true in the comment section. If you think it's not correct, write down false in the comment section. I will see how many of you have done this correct. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification for upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.